Welcome to emini Trading School, the #1 live trading room on the internet. Let's go ahead and familiarize you with our homepage of our website, and then we'll take you right into the virtual emini Trading School live trading room. Go ahead and feel free to click around the various buttons about us, our frequently asked questions, where every question regarding signing up for the software down to training is being answered, our trading hours, economic news, that way you're aware of what news is coming out that week. Markets do like to move with the news, as well as our free software page where you download our trading clock and our accounting software. And also you can go to our contact us and contact us anytime. On the left side of our website, you'll see you can click on what we trade. There's testimonials, sample trades, what you will receive, understanding our entries, understanding our exits, understanding compounding. There's also the Order Now page where you can see our pricing as well as receive your order form to sign up for the software in our live trading room. On the right-hand side here, this is where you sign up for a free 3-day trial and see us trade live. Just type in your name and your email address and click submit. There's also our daily trading blog, which is interesting to see what we were thinking that day with our software. To enter the virtual emini Trading School, just click on the words enter the virtual trading school, and that will take you to a sign-in page. In our sign-in page, please take the time to read the announcement. This will help you have a better understanding of our program. We are directional trend traders. We have color-coded paint bars that tell you when to get long, when to get short, where to place your stops, profit targets. We clearly identify when to trade and when not to trade. And we talk about this in our announcement here. So please take the time to read that. Once you've read it, look below the announcement and you will see you log in as an attendee. Logging in as an attendee, there's a drop-down box, and that will default to the attendee there. At that point, type in your phone number, and your email address, and the room name will default automatically. And feel free to have this box checked here for 2 windows. That way you can see the charts and the chat separately. Once you have that information entered, click on Enter Room. And go ahead and type in your first name and your last name, or your first name and your initial to your last name. But please, if you sign in as AKA, please identify yourself in the room. Once you have your name typed in, click Next. And you'll come to a screen that looks like this. No application shared at this time. We'll actually turn our projector on and show you what your charts look like in just a second. We want to just show you around first once you sign in. Once you've signed in, you'll see various moderators as well as guest attendees to our trading room, and you'll see their names presented up here on the left-hand side. You'll also see an icon down here for our free portfolio maximizer accounting software, and that's where you can actually download, and that will take you to the website and you can download our free software. You can click on the word Show Chat, and a chat box will come up. This is where you will type any questions, messages to the moderators or to the trading room. And then once you type in there, you just hit enter, and you'll see that come up as your question. Let's go ahead and go to the charting. If you ever have an issue with your charting freezing up, there is an icon with two blue arrows in it that you click to refresh your screen. Our audio always works. Our charting or display from Omnovia, you can have some freezes on that. You just click on refresh. Let's go ahead and minimize this and look at our charting. As we indicated to you, we are directional trend traders. When you sign into our room, you will always see a note written on our trend chart to longs, where we're just looking at taking long setups. The way that we know this is our trend direction indicator down here. During our presentations, we talk about the various indicators on our charts. So we'll briefly just bring you up to speed so you have a little idea when you sign in. Trend direction down here, blue dots, we're only looking for longs only. If we go red dots, then we're only looking for shorts. You also will see a couple green balls below the price bar sometimes. That is telling us look for any reason to get long. Sometimes you'll see a red dot above the price bar, or two red dots, two red balls above the price bar, and that's telling us look for any reason to get short. We really do understand the trend. We also have various Fibonacci support resistance levels on our charts that we will familiarize you with during our live trading room. A couple key points that we pay attention to, traders. We never argue with a trend. We never anticipate the trend. We do what we see, not what we think. The markets do not care what we think. A couple other little tips here. When you think the market won't go higher, it will. When you think the market won't go lower, it will. It's just a couple key points. The bottom indicator, it's called our market simulator. It simulates the market for us. Our cycle predictor, a non-range bound indicator that doesn't give us head fakes at all in the markets. Very, very smooth indicator. Our automatic pivots and our automatic Fibonacci support resistance levels, as well as our blue, red, and yellow paint bars. This is our trend chart. No matter what market we trade, if you're a day trader, you're going to use a trend calculation like ours and a trend chart. But you will be executing your trades off of your faster time frame. We generally run in our trading room the 244 tick chart. I'm going to just turn off a couple indicators here that we were just looking at. And you'll want to trade either off a 50 tick bond chart, or a 244 tick ES chart, or a 1 minute ES chart, or a 3 minute ES chart, but you're always going to still be looking at the trend. On our execution time frame, you'll see that the lower half of the paint bar is being painted, telling us to look to go short. You will see our stops plotted automatically above the